find right here. Oh, look at that. These are kangkong flowers. That's how beautiful it is. Kangkong flowers are too beautiful. Look at that. And we have here a lot of kangkong leaves. Well, the ground is cracked because of the heat. Kangkong grows so profusely. And rice fields will grow soon, like month of June, July, because of the rain. Right now it's April and May. It looks like this. The ground is cracked and very, very, very dry. Meanwhile, kangkong takes the place. So beautiful that is.